So then coconut cookies, always butter, and then sugar, and then vanilla, and then vanilla, and salt, and then egg, and then vanilla, and then baking powder, and then coconuts. I put in the butter in a bowl and then mix it together. Turn it into a butter. And I mix it together. I put it into a flour.
And another one?
And I put it back in again.
Oh!
And then I split them. And then the lump in it. Mix it. Make a ball. Make a ball and then put it in a coconut. And then put it on the table. And then make a roller ball. Mash them. Then this is squash. And Mommy put one in the oven. When